All right, so I'm under the car now, changing out the oxygen sensor, which is post-cat. So it's going to be sensor 2, bank 1, driver's side, O2 sensor behind the cat. Basically just soak it in penetrating oil, give it about 30 minutes. I like to use this. This shit works on everything. It'll free up anything. So here's the sensor. The sensor runs into the bottom of the floor. So you'll see online a lot of people like, oh, I had to take out my seats, I had to take out, you know, the center console, blah, 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 blah. You don't really need to do that. I just pulled the grommet out the way and poked my finger like that to see where I was making contact. So what I did, instead of taking the seat out, is this. I just pulled the carpet back, and upon pulling it back, I saw everything that I needed to see. So I put the light in here so you guys can see. So there's the harness, and down here is a pin that holds the harness in place. It's right there. So you're gonna have to free that, disconnect it there, pull everything out or up through the hole, which is right here, and then just screw in your new O2 sensor, and that's it. So this is for a 2001 Lexus GS430, and it's going to be the O2 sensor that's post-cat, so sensor 2, bank 1, driver's side. So we'll go ahead and get that out right now. Disconnected the harness, released the holding pin, and pushed everything down through the hole. So you can see here's clip pin, there's the harness connector, and I'm gonna finish backing off my O2 sensor now. So now that we got the old one out, you can see that one's toast, kind of burnt to shit. Oh, look at that. Definitely not good. So the new one is Denso. These usually run and last, you know, pretty well. I haven't had any problems with them. So we'll go ahead and apply some anti-seize and get it around the threads. Do not get it on the sniffer holes. It's not good. You don't want to do that shit. You'll be right back to square one replacing this thing. So just keep it on the threads. So what we'll do is we'll get this screwed in lightly, and then we're gonna feed the cable here through the hole under here. Where's that fucker? There it is. So we'll get it screwed in there, and we're gonna feed the cable up through there, but don't tighten the O2 yet.